love, loyalty, respect. These three words are the foundation of any meaningful relationship. Without them, it's impossible to build something real, something lasting. They aren't just values to talk about, they're values to live by. If you want a relationship that thrives, that stands the test of time, these are the principles that must guide you every single day. Let's dive into why they matter so much and how they intertwine. Number one is love, the cornerstone of every relationship. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a choice. It's the decision to care for someone, support them, and stand by their side even when it's not convenient. Too often, we think of love as something magical, something that just happens. But the truth is, love is built through actions. It's built through showing up, through small gestures, and through the consistent effort to nurture the bond you share. In any strong relationship, love is the driving force that keeps both people connected. It's what pulls you back together after disagreements, what motivates you to keep growing together. But real love isn't selfish. It's about giving, about wanting the best for the other person, and about working together through every season, good or bad. Love is about seeing someone at their best and their worst, and still choosing them every day. Number two is loyalty, the glue that holds love together. Loyalty is the silent commitment that says, I'm here for you. It's not about words, it's about actions. When you're loyal, you're not just sticking around when things are easy. You're there when life gets messy, when challenges arise, when temptation comes. Loyalty is about having someone's back, always. It's about being dependable, trustworthy, and true to your word. In a world where it's easy to be distracted, loyalty is rare, but it's also priceless. When someone knows that you're loyal to them, that you're not going to abandon ship at the first sign of trouble, it deepens the bond between you. Loyalty creates security, and security allows love to flourish. It's knowing that even if the world turns its back, you won't. That kind of loyalty is what makes love unbreakable. Number three is respect, the foundation of everything. Respect is what ensures that love and loyalty can exist in a healthy way. Without respect, there's no true love. Without respect, there's no loyalty. Respect is about valuing the other person's feelings, opinions, and boundaries. It's about treating them with kindness, even when you disagree. Respect doesn't mean you always see eye to eye. It means that even in your differences, you honor each other's perspectives. When you respect someone, you communicate that they matter. You listen to them, you support their growth, and you never belittle them. A relationship without respect will always crumble because it lacks the foundation for real trust and connection. If you want to build something strong, something that lasts, you have to have respect at the core of everything you do. How these three values work together. When love, loyalty, and respect come together, they create something powerful. Love alone can be fleeting if it's not grounded in loyalty. Loyalty without love can feel like an obligation, and without respect, it can turn into resentment. And respect, without love and loyalty, may not be enough to keep a relationship alive. But when all three exist together, they form a bond that is nearly impossible to break. How to live these values. You might be wondering, how can I make sure these values are part of my relationship? It starts with you. You have to embody them in everything you do. Love isn't just about saying, I love you. It's about showing it through your actions, through kindness, patience, and understanding. Loyalty isn't just about staying faithful. It's about being there through thick and thin, through every high and low. And respect isn't just about being polite. It's about truly valuing the person you're with and treating them with dignity always. If you want love, loyalty, and respect in your relationship, you have to give them first. Be the kind of partner who shows up, who commits fully, and who respects the other person as an equal. When you live these values, the relationship you build will be stronger than anything you've ever experienced. You won't just have love, you'll have the kind of connection that endures, that lifts you both up, and that lasts a lifetime. In the end, love, loyalty, and respect are not just nice ideas. They're the foundation of every great relationship. If you nurture them, if you live by them, you'll find a love that doesn't just survive, it thrives.